want that, right?
$350.
Yeah, I want this.
I would love the Beats. Or you got
You
the
love the
Galaxy tablet.
I just got a new tablet.
$800 value.
Tablet 3? Yeah, I would like this.
No, we're going to scramble it. We're mixing them up, don't worry.
All right.
Start your engines. When
All
I
right.
say go, first one to solve it, take your pick of the prize.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
This figure is like moving really loose for me.
Can you stick around and take pictures of the winner with the... Awesome, thank you. We're going to see it on affiliate somewhere. Yeah, he did it in like 20 seconds. Yeah. That was his first shot. Now John's a little slow. It's like...
There you go.
I'm way behind on this.
Are you kidding me, John?
This is mine.
Let me get a shot with John for us. Keep going, guys.
There you go. Keep going. One of you guys gonna win it.
John. 1, 2, and 3. Nice.
Awesome. Congratulations, John.
Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you. They're going for the beach. Come on. Go for the beach.
Beach is up.
Beach is up for grabs.
$150 headphones.
I completely messed mine up.
Keep going. He's still got a chance at it.
Yeah. He's on his last. He's on he's on the last level now.
I completely messed this up.
Yeah, you can afford it. You're gonna do it. Galaxy Tab 3. That's good. It's a small one.
Not bad, right?
I finally got a Galaxy. That's good.
I want a photo for first prize. This is video. That's another.
Awesome. We'll have you in there.
Who's gonna be second prize?
There you go.
Matt gave up. Come on, get it.
No, he got me.
Come and get it.
You got me. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. These are all Beats by Dr. Dre. These are nice.
Cheers, man.
Those are
Nice.
These are nice.
Thanks,
all right.
brother. Cheers.
You hold the cube, and let's get a picture with you.
Get on in there, man. You got to take him a cube or something, Matt.
Partly done. Take your partly done cube.
You got to get a cube for that.
All right. Let's grab that.
Right here. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
That was nice, man. John, it was a pleasure, brother.
Pleasure, right?
John, appreciate it, man.
I'll see you guys. Can we get that video, too?